welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing something super different on this channel, and that is a hairstyle video. First of its kind on my channel. I haven't done anything like this on even my Instagram actually, because when it comes to hairstyles, I'm one of those super lazy persons that literally just, I will just braid my hair or put in a top knot and call it a day. So I thought, there'll be a lot more lazy girls like me who will want to relate to me, who want to look put together, but you're just lazy and too lazy to do those fancy hairstyles. For all you lazy girls who are like me, who don't want to heat treat your hair, just want to do a nice, cute, simple hairstyle without any heat tools. These are going to be 5 super quick, super easy, super fast and very fun hairstyles for you. So you can continue watching, but before that, if this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. We keep it super fun and fresh on this channel. So if you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll have a great time here, and also click the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, which is Thursday and Sunday and sometimes even on Tuesdays, you will get notified. Okay, first things first, like I said, I do absolutely nothing when it comes to heat treatment to my hair, but thoda care to rakhna padta hai, because if I don't do anything and just let my hair air dry, बड़ा सा चिड़िया का घोंसला हो जाएगा, मतलब because my hair type is curly as well as frizzy, and I stay in Bombay, so it's super humid over here and my hair just gets frizzier when I come in contact with air. तो थोड़ा सा hair prep के लिए I use my hair serum, and the one I use is by L'Oreal Paris. This is their L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, and I use it in 2 ways. So first, what I like to do is after I've done washing my hair, I don't even use a comb on my hair because it causes more breakage when you use a comb, and I have curly hair, so it just causes more frizz in general. I just take a little bit of this serum after I'm done with my hair wash, and I massage it between my hands and go over my hair with this, so it just helps to detangle all of my hair really easily and makes my hair very manageable without using a comb. So I just detangle my hair with my fingers after I've applied the serum. The texture of the serum is very unique. It's not a water-based serum. It has an oil base to it, so it helps my hair get really nice and moisturized and hydrated, especially because the ends of my hair are color treated, so it adds good moisture and shine to it, but at the same time it's not like sticky or messy. Then once again, when I'm sitting to shoot my videos or if I want to go out, I will just take 2 pumps of this again. It has a locking mechanism on the packaging. I really like the packaging on this because it's very heavy and luxurious, and I just massage that 2 pumps and I will go all over. I don't massage it on my scalp, but just very lightly take this all over my hair, so it immediately tames down all of the frizz and the flyaways on my hair, makes it very manageable, and also this smells so divine, you guys. It smells beautiful, very luxurious. It has this combination of 6 rare flower oils, and it really smells like a whole spa experience altogether. And also, if I really want to curl or straighten my hair, this also works as a great heat protectant. I've been using it as a heat protectant when I was shooting my Navratri videos. You can use this hair serum in a variety of ways because of its unique texture, and that's about it. Once I've applied it and massaged it well into my hair just looks so much more shinier. It adds so much life to my hair. So if you're looking for a good hair serum, I highly recommend that you try this one out. This is a 100 ml bottle which will aram se last you more than a month actually, and you just need very little amount, and you're only paying rupees 4.99 for this bottle. So I will leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out. And thank you so much L'Oreal Paris for sponsoring this part of today's video. Now that our hair is prepped, let's dive into our first hairstyle. That's going to be super simple, and that is double twisters. This is something I do literally every single time. My hair is already side parted. This is my natural partition for my hair. If middle partition looks good on your face structure, then you can definitely go for middle partition. What I do is, starting right from the root of my hair, taking very little, just keep twisting it backwards, and don't take hair which is remaining either. मतलब वो मत लो, खाली थोड़ा बाल सामने से लेना है, and you have to try to keep pushing it backwards. So this suits my hair, my face shape, because I keep pushing it backwards, and just makes my face look longer. And then over here, I'm not going to immediately pin it. I'm going to first scrunch it up a little bit. थोड़ा सा loose छोड़ो and tug it, okay? And once you've done that, just secure it with a tic tac pin or a bobby pin, whatever suits you. A bobby pin is more effort, so tic tac pin is the least effort. Yeah, that's about it. So एक side करके also it looks very cute. This can by itself be your hairstyle, but very often I try to do this on both sides, and when I'm doing it on the other side, I make sure that I'm taking lesser hair because अब इस side पे कम बाल है because I've done a side partition. And again, just do the same technique. Keep taking little hair सामने से and like twist all the way till the back. Loose पकड़ के tug it. Okay, so this just by itself looks really cute. You can push your one side. I mostly push the one which has more hair at the back and take like lesser hair in front. Looks really presentable, very cute on camera as well as in person. Just 2 tic tac pins is all you need. Takes literally just 2 to 3 minutes, and because we did that whole pulling and tugging thing, it looks a little more voluminous and just doesn't make you look very chapat. So that's a little trick on how you can make your face look thoda fuller. Anyway, so this was our first hairstyle all complete. The second hairstyle is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to take a middle partition for this one. So I'm just using a tail comb to part my hair in between. And once I've done that, I just take all of my hair, literally everything. This is like on the worst hair days, but also this looks super chic and very good with Indian. So just take like your fringes in front. If you don't have fringes, cut fringes is what I would say. So take your fringes out, and once you've done that, baki ke baal le lo. And we are going to tie a bun. So for a low bun, you need to be very specific कि बाल खराब नहीं लग रहे हैं. So take it and then rotate all the way through. And once you've done that, rotate your hair in between one finger, around one finger. Just rotate it in place. And then take one of these small scrunchies, I hope you guys can see it, and secure your bun in place. Literally मेरे बाल तो इतने ही है कि एक scrunchie से जगह पे secure हो जाते हैं. अगर आपके बाल ज़्यादा है तो you can take a bigger scrunchie or anything. Again, you can decorate this with hairpins, you can decorate it with scrunchies, however you want. So you can do of course whatever you want and play around with these hairstyles, but this was hairstyle number 2. So for the third hairstyle, this is not going to be super simple as well. It's थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मेहनत. First, I just roughly partition it बीच में, and then once I've got that, I just take my 2 fingers, part it half pony में, and whatever hair is remaining नीचे, just be a little gentle with your hair, not as rough as me, and take it on 2 different sides. Like this hair section that you have नीचे, just divide it on 2 different sides. So you have like a good full amount of hair on 2 sides. You don't want too much also, just very little. Clip this hair at the back. So now you have this 2 full sections. What you have to do is take each section and braid it. This braid has to be pretty. You don't have to make it very rough also. थोड़ा अच्छे से बनाना, because this braid is going to be a star of the show. You have to braid your hair all the way to the end. It's not going to work if you just do it on top. So yeah, just make sure that you're doing it all the way till the end. Once you've done that, you have your braid ready. Don't put rubber band, clip, nothing iske niche. Just loosen up your braid a bit. So just shimmy your hair in place. You don't want a very tight braid. You want it a little spread out so it looks a little more voluminous. Alright, so once you've done that, just make sure the rest of your hair is thoda decent, because you're going to like take this and make this as your hairband. So just twist it all the way around. Don't twist it, just take it all the way around and secure it with a tic tac pin or a bobby pin or whatever. So this works as a really fancy hairband. You're going to do the same thing with the leftover hair on this side as well. And make sure that it is in close conjunction with your other braid. So yeah, and then just secure this one as well on the other side of your scalp. And the remaining hair that you had in the clip, just open it out, and this is your braided hairband all complete. The hairband looks a little thin because I don't have that much hair. You can definitely take more hair and make a thicker hairband, but it looks really cute, especially up in person, and in selfies it takes your hair all the way at the back, so none of your frizz is going to irritate you. Middle partition looks more cuter in this, and I have my fringes out over here, and this is the third hairstyle all complete. Fourth hairstyle, this is one of my patent hairstyles. I do this a lot of times for my YouTube videos, and also Ariana Grande made it famous. So it's called the Ariana Grande ponytail. It's basically just a half ponytail. All I do is like take my finger on one side, take my tail comb and partition my hair all the way to the middle of the scalp. Once you've done that, just take that half section of your hair. You just need a little bit because this is going to be a very headache giving hairstyle. It's a high ponytail, and the only disadvantage is that it causes a lot of hair breakage, so I do it very occasionally because it looks very, very sexy, especially with, like, you know, Western outfits. It looks very, very good, but like I said, you know, it causes a lot of hair damage. Once you've done that, once you have sectioned your hair, you need to take this high as you can, okay? Go all the way. And I take a hair tie like this, like, which is having some flexibility to it. Jitna upar ja sakte ho, jitna headache sahan kar sakte ho. It's all depending on your tolerance now. So take this section and just put the rubber band around it. The major place where you can get it wrong is if your rubber band does not have enough elasticity, then your hair ponytail will just fall apart when you finish tying it. So just make sure you're taking a good rubber band with good elasticity. Go around quite a lot of times with this because I want it really, really tight. And once you've done that, just gonna pull at my pony, make it as tight as possible. And yeah, there I have it. Just gonna section the hair really cleanly. Whew. This is what it looks like. It actually adds a lot of volume to your hair because you're sectioning it in two ways. You can take all of these flyaways and then again just take your serum thodusa and, you know, would tuck it back. I like to take my serum only because if I take hairspray then it becomes very crunchy. So hairspray is for like agar bahar jana hai, agar video record karna hai to serum is good. What I like about this hairstyle is no jhanjat. You don't need hairpins, nothing, absolutely. And your fringes are also taken care of because this is a very high ponytail. You will incorporate your fringes in the ponytail itself. So yeah, that was all for our hairstyle number 4. Alright, so for the last and final hairstyle, we are going to do the messy bun, but we are going to do it a little different. Okay, so this is the messy bun that you will usually see looking very fancy and think ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत मेहनत नहीं है, but इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत है. So first I'm going to like partition my hair in to this in like straight part, middle part. And then I'm going to take my entire one section of the hair and take it as high as I can, okay? Again, might give you a headache, but it's all going to be worth it. Okay, once I've raised it to this extent, I'm just going to take the very flexible hair tie that I have. Again, you'll need a very flexible hairband. With this, go 2 to 3 rounds at least. Don't want to make a pony, you need like a half bun, okay? Sort of like this is what you need, and then you're just going to leave this poofy part over here and then again do the same thing on the opposite side as well. Okay, this is very difficult to do on camera, but I'm gonna try, okay? Just divide this jo beach ka portion hai, keep it empty and take your other bun with you through this in between, and what you have right now are like 2 sections like this. Just place them anyhow. Now this is the messy portion and you want to clip it in place. Waise, because you've secured it with rubber bands, it's not really going to move or anything. Just want to make it look a little more fuller on the crown portion. And then at the back, now that you have this 2 sections, just have to take the 2 remaining sections and literally just knot it. Like गांठ बांध दो, मतलब पीछे अपने बालों के साथ. Tighten this like this, and that's about it. Whatever is remaining, you can just pin it up. Once you adjust and play around with it, it will look something like this. It should look actually much higher. I didn't get my 2 ponytails very high. The 2 ponytails should be like super high over here, and then it will give you a very high messy bun. So this looks that very expensively done like messy bun. From behind it looks really pretty because it gives all of your curls together, and whatever you've knotted in place, there are no too many bobby pins happening. It's actually pretty neat at the back. So that's all for today's video. These were the simple 5 easy hairstyles that I do when I want to look put together and presentable, but at the same time I'm super lazy to not spend too much time doing them. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you all did, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. For today's video, the Sara Squad shout out goes to Radhika Verma. Thank you so much, Radhika, for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sara Squad shout out, then all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, stay home, stay safe, and I love you. Mwah.
is running out, and I can't stop it. Our love ain't fine, and I